PJ 9515, her name is Asenit Pambid. She's 32 years old and married. She is a college level. She has an experience as local domestic helper. This is PJ 9515. Will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Asenit Pambid, 32 years old. I live in Batac City, Ilocos Norte. Married. My parents' name are Mr. and Mrs. Alex Ampanya. Married to Brian Ray Pambid with 2 kids.
What will you do to relieve your homesickness in Hong Kong?
I will concentrate on my work.
Do you have any local experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What were your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, cooking, taking care of kids, and tutoring.
How about a newly born baby? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do first if the baby is crying?
I will check if he was hungry or the diaper was wet or maybe she have a fever.
Do you know how to sterilize feeding bottles?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you demonstrate to us?
I will wash the bottle and then I will sterilize the bottle, boil it for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I place it in a container.
If given chance to work in Hong Kong, are you willing to look after a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about school children? Are you willing to?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to provide financial for my family needs.
What is your experience in taking care of an elderly?
I assist them in bathing and giving them their food.
Why do you think you are a suitable domestic helper?
I'm a suitable domestic helper because I was a good person, honest, and responsible.
Do you know how to sing nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
Baba, black sheep, have you ever walked? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for a little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Can you give a message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I was a hardworking person, honest, and I promise you to do all my duties and to serve you as long as I can. Thank you.